If you want to know your iPhone 17 or 17 Pro warranty details, so first open Settings app, scroll down a bit, General and About. Then you can see this option Limited Warranty. Touch that. Yeah, here you can see Apple Limited Warranty. Here you can see the expiry date. For me it's 9th October 2026. I bought this exact date on 2025. So iPhone 17 and serial number. Your device is covered for out-of service and chat and phone support. So this is how you need to do. And you have one doubt. In case within the warranty period your iPhone was dead, can I claim a new phone? Yeah, of course you can claim new phone. Then your warranty period, this warranty period will still continues on the new iPhone also. I mean claimed iPhone also. So this is basically how it works. And if you want to know more videos about iPhone 17 or 17 Pro Max, watch this playlist.